Away from matters to do with milk, let's talk insurance now. Have you been queuing at your insurance firm, waiting month upon month to collect payment on claims? Well, a new proposal in the Finance Bill 2016 is set to radically cut the amount of time it takes to process a claim by 2 months. Well, we now critique the move, even as tax analysts have welcomed it with reservations.
Kenya's robust financial services sector has seen the level of financial inclusion be one of the highest in the region. With at least over 60% of financial literacy, a good chunk of the population have basic access to a bank account and insurance cover to a pension savings plan. Though there is still some ground to be covered on the insurance front, as penetration stands at just about 3%, a figure termed as being way below the curve.
Yes, penetration is low. 3.2% by any standard or by global standards is low. But we are in a better position than our neighbors, some of whom are at 0 point something. Others are at 1 point something. So 3.2% represents some reasonable growth from where we were a few years ago, 2 point something.
The low penetration has partly been blamed on low awareness and overpriced products in the market, which are unattractive to the low-income earners.
The challenge about this penetration is manifold. One is rooted in our cultural practices, or what I would call society organization, the extended family system. So many of us see the family as the insurance. That is not news to anybody, that a parent will look up to his child to provide health insurance, so they see their children as insurance. So that is a big problem.
Consumers have in the past raised concerns over the time it takes to lodge a claim to the actual payment as being one of the fundamental reasons as to why they would opt out of not having an insurance policy.
Mr. Speaker,
new regulations in the 2016 Finance Bill requiring insurance firms to settle claims within 30 days as opposed to the current 90 days is viewed as a game changer.
If I were an insurance company, what would I do? I'd push my clients to pay me upfront. Yeah? To be cash and carry, you don't get a policy cover unless you paid me. Because I know that if you don't have the money and you make a claim, I have to settle that money that claim within 30 days. Then it means that insurance companies, if it eventually becomes law, insurance companies now will have to change their whole system of dealing with claims.
Tax experts reckon this will play a part in restoring consumer confidence in an industry riddled with fraudulent claims and bad perception.
They know it exists, but they are not very clear about the benefits, what insurance can do for them.
Despite the insurance sector being a lucrative business, fraudulent claims have hit the sector hard. Data from the Insurance Regulatory Authority's Fraud Investigation Unit shows there were 43 reported cases of 63 million shillings in the first quarter of 2016, up from 26 cases last year. The step to fast-track claims settlement is one that pundits say will be a long shot and could trigger a major drive for players to consider consolidation.
It's almost impossible, I believe, for insurance companies to settle a claim in 30 days. You would not even have investigated the claim. Consolidation is going to happen for the financial services sector. So banks will be impacted, insurance companies could be impacted, maybe even pension fund administrators, all those, I think, we have to move towards the consolidation, to be frank.
Aby, KTN News.